Chodor, and today I'm gonna do a watercolor portrait. I'm gonna paint while the sun is shining on my table. It just gives me this cozy sensation. Hope you're gonna enjoy it as well. There won't be much talking in this video, surprisingly, so I just let you enjoy with the process. I'm gonna use 300-gram watercolor paper, my Winsor & Newton watercolor set, which I'm using quite often. I'm mainly gonna use a Pinterest photo and put a rough sketch of it, then dig in with my watercolor, and there will be lots of layers of watercolor and some little touches with my pen. Enjoy the process. After I'm done with my rough sketch, it's not like rough sketch, actually I quite draw it, but I'm quite bored, so I wanna just put some colors in it, and I'm just jumping in the watercolor part. For the face, I mainly use yellow and pink mix kind of color. I like to use different shades, different tones of similar colors on the portraits. Even though I'm not pro or something on watercolor portraits, I still quite enjoy to do it, especially the girl portraits. My less favorite part is the hair. I'm mostly quite afraid when it comes to hair, but I'm gonna try my best. I don't know, I'm just gonna enjoy with it anyway. Even if it's ended up being horrible, I really don't mind. I can say I think the journey is quite more fun than the destination actually. I mainly use my Daler and Rowney brushes, which are not for watercolor obviously because they have this long handle, but they were quite okay. And now I'm having this tiny one. It's brand Chinese brand Xing Zong Zhong that I have no idea how to pronounce it. But I ordered them randomly. They were super cheap, but it turns out quite okay. And I really like this tiny one. I think 0.1 to make some details in the end. On watercolor, it's important to put the light color first and then go to darker and the darker. And putting the dark color is my favorite part. I really enjoy when it comes to like little details and like deep dark shadows in the drawings. So right now, as you can understand, I'm having lots of fun. I didn't want to do a like completely finished portrait. I prefer when it's like slightly unfinished. Okay, mine is not slightly, mine is like totally unfinished. But I'm really enjoying to play with the effect of the watercolor, even though this paper, I have no idea which brand it is, but quite shitty. I didn't like that how it shows the color. It's quite faded when it gets dry, and I didn't like the effect quite much, but still okay though. But like down the hair, as you see, I'm putting like lots of water and let them just melt down and having this quite nice effect, and it's quite saving me from the trouble to draw whole completed hair, which I am not so good at it. As you can see, I mainly use similar colors on the skin tone and the hair as well. Just make it look more like one whole piece than like the girl is wearing a wig or something. I don't like the sharp difference between skin tone and hair tone, obviously. And actually those reddish, yellowish, orangish tone quite match with the hair as well. I like the splashing some water, some colors around the hair especially. It makes it look a bit more abstract and at the same time it looks natural, like there's a slight wind and hair just like flying away. That kind of sensation it gives me. I don't know if you guys like as well. I'm just having my 025 pilot pen and putting some last touches on it. I quite like this pen, especially when it comes to end and the time to add some details. To put some like wild hair which doesn't move with the others and decide to go to other direction. You know what I mean? Yeah, that one. This pen is just perfect for them. I use the white pen as well, but the painting is not dry yet, so it's not giving an amazing effect, but it's okay though. After I add some last touches, little details and dripping some water around the portrait and messing with this bottom part a bit more, I'm quite satisfied and I think it's time to let this portrait alone. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and check my Instagram channel if you would like to see some more art. See you guys very soon. Ciao!